我估唔到上個禮拜先至話叫佢同我飲茶，佢突然間就飛咗翻嚟，嚇咗我一跳。
Doesn't quite match up to English food there.
歡迎翻嚟 Ronald Family 嘅 channel， 嚟到我哋喺香港48小時嘅 challenge。
阿媽係咪？黐線！
醫生話你好翻。
你將會睇呢個 vlog 同平時好唔一樣。
爭俾錢啦，快啲啦，唔好俾佢俾啊！
我點解要爭啊？你講明話請我飲茶嘅。
因為我哋為咗工作，好突發咁決定來回坐27個鐘頭飛機，由英國飛嚟香港喺48個鐘頭內。
身體健康。
哦，多謝，都祝你身體健康。
唔只要完成翻嚟拍廣告嘅任務，
我哋攰到神志不清嚟嘅。
我哋仲會實行喺 Instagram 俾大家決定嘅你講我做挑戰。
What are you doing？
事不宜遲，我哋開始啦！
要 say bye bye 啦。
And be good. Be very, very good.
Off we go。
唯一係翻香港先會兩個人帶4個行李篋。
呢兩個係空㗎，喺香港買完嘢擺落嚟。
等上機嘅時候，我有個突發奇想 ，post 咗呢個 question box 上 Instagram。
你講，我做。咁其實啱啱 post 咗唔夠10分鐘，我已經收到大家嘅 response 啦，全部都係食，要掃街、茶餐廳、食煲仔飯、食淡仔。
So we're going to be in like Italian food, yeah?
No。
開心嘅時間過得真係快，12個半鐘頭嘅飛機咧，好快就過咗啦。咁 as usual 啦，好中意同大家分享我哋食乜嘢啦。睇到大家48個鐘喺香港要做啲咩，全部都係講食嘅嘢啦。咁我梗係要 share 下我哋落機前食嘅早餐啦。As you can imagine， 我梗係要把握所有機會去食我哋 local 嘅食物啦。咁我哋揀呢個鐘。But what have you chosen?
Certainly not congee. Take a guess.
I'm getting bored here。
咁你真係要好 enjoy 你今日嘅早餐啦，因為呢個係你今個 weekend 食最後嘅 Western food。Savor every last bite。
見到爹哋，我最中意嘅一 part 啦。阿爸，你知唔知點解我哋要攞4個篋啊？
一間滿載而歸嘛。
係啦，聰明。好啦，我哋而家到咗香港 ，check， 同爹哋擁抱 check。咁而家我哋有48小時
48 hours.
完成大家 set 俾我哋要做嘅任務。咁我哋嚟啦。
Start the clock.
唔好撞到你。
你頭先幾乎撞到我，咁你都要真係學翻揸車先得啦。
My 2 most important men in my life。
The baggage man.
拉定筋去準備我哋嘅 challenge 啊！
We've got to stay awake for this challenge to avoid jet lag. Start with exercise.
點解香港比我想象中凍咁多？
Run! The clock is running. Wasn't expecting to bring the Manchester weather with us.
But last time it was the same， 就可能我哋嘅英國唔好天氣嘅運氣真係跟住我哋嚟嘅，開始。
跑到腳軟之後就 let the challenge begin。
見到最多嘅就係想見我哋食燒賣同埋魚蛋，但其實掃街呢件事大家見我哋做好多次㗎，但係如果咧係 satisfy 到你哋，令到冇得食嘅大家可以 kind of 喺個 screen 度試到嘅味道啦，咁我哋就食啦。燒賣 baby。
We've been here less than 2 hours. It's breakfast time, and I got to eat sumo. What's that? That's not sumo.
呢個係好好味嘅魚蛋。
It's spicy, but okay.
It's called flavor。
I had a feeling that someone is going to be a lot happier than me this next 48 hours.
同老公喺以前住嘅地方散步。
頭先掃完街之後咧，而家行過呢個好靚嘅桃花公園。
Bit of peace and madness.
帶翻起好多好美好嘅回憶。
咦！大家最中意嘅 Reynolds Family 成員，
早晨，
開唔開心啊？
開心。我估唔到上個禮拜先至話叫佢同我飲茶，佢突然間就飛咗翻嚟同我飲茶，嚇咗我一跳。
孝順啊嘛。
哦，OK，超級孝順，翻嚟見下媽咪，同媽咪飲茶。
純粹係揾你飲茶，跟住我走㗎啦。
我買咗菜煮俾你食喎。係啊，嚟香港要食葉菜嘛。
咁喺我哋 post 喺 Instagram， 你哋叫我哋做咩我就做嘅其中一樣嘢咧，就係同屋企人飲茶啦。而家做緊
嗌一啲 Lawrence 一定唔食嗰啲咯。嗱，不過講真，我都好少食內臟㗎嚇。
So good。
呢啲我老公最頂唔順嘅嘢食就係最好味嘅。媽咪，咁你對我今次突發翻嚟48個鐘打攪你有咩感覺啊？
非常嘅詫異咯，放低對仔，然後翻嚟就係為咗飲餐茶。
咁其實今次主要翻嚟係因為我哋收到個 job 要喺香港拍一個新年嘅 campaign，
係好開心嘅。不過就覺得坐飛機翻嚟好辛苦啊咁樣咯，48個鐘，
好辛苦都要翻嚟。
不過後生 OK。
係咯，其實真係要趁仲健康嘅時候就有得做就做。咁其實做我哋呢啲工作有時都會突然好多要飛啊，或者可能要剪片剪到好夜啊，或者要由朝拍嘢拍到晚。但係辛苦嘅時候就要諗，有得開工有得努力已經係好事嚟㗎，所以就要 appreciate，be grateful。
用一個感恩嘅心去面對人生每一件事。有工做就係開心噶啦，有生活就係好噶啦。有人請飲茶就更開心。
就要食得多啲，嗌得多啲。
Good job. This one should be wider. Keep your thigh apart so the child can sit in.
Practicing the real reason why we're back. Back.
好啦，知道大家其實好想我喺呢48小時盡量食到大家叫我食嘅嘢，但係咧始終翻嚟都係要做嘢啦。咁我哋好快食完嘢咧就要翻屋企沖涼 get ready 就去拍嘢啦。爭俾錢啦，快啲啦，唔好俾佢俾啊 ！Come on, fight her, fight her！
我點解要爭啊？你講明話請我飲茶嘅。
福星高照係啦，福星高照。
Should there be more movement? Like I sit down.
Yeah, you will have very good prosperity this year. Okay?
But what does it mean?
哇！邊個寫得靚啲？
佢第一次寫中文個發字，佢叻啊！字似主人形啊！你睇下佢嗰個咧溜溜長長咁咯，我就肥嘟嘟矮矮地。
咁我哋今次雖然係工作啦，但係我哋工作咧可以拉埋媽咪同我哋一齊拍，所以好開心啊！成件事真係。我哋喺屋企拍完之後就出街拍。大家記唔記得 Carrie？ 我哋 Reynolds Family 好 valued 嘅 teammate 係咪？其實成個 channel Carrie 先係主角。咁我哋啱啱咧係咪好開心啊？喺雨中度。
係，我哋拍咗一個非常之 productive 嘅一個影片。
係啊，咁我哋就走勻咗全香港啦，由新界去咗灣仔，再去尖沙咀。睇下我老公
Just admiring the lanterns.
睇風景。OK， 我哋而家到達咗香港10個鐘頭，但係個感覺好似已經過咗3日咁樣。OK， 我估唔到而家係10點半啦，嚟返晏晝嘅尖沙咀去拍廣告，最後一個 shot 就係靚靚嘅 Victoria Harbour。我哋拍完之後望住隻錶，竟然就嚟半夜啦。好多人話要食淡仔，但係今次真係唔知有冇時間。Sorry。
Whoa, it's very late and I'm really, really hungry.
老遠見到間茶餐廳未閂門，咁而家咧就嚟12點啦。我哋終於拍晒今日要拍嘅嘢啦。咁發現原來我哋係未食晚餐，今朝去咗飲茶咧，所以今晚12點就嚟聽日嘅朝早就同大家食個茶餐廳啦。
Can I be?
係，honestly 我而家最想要嘅就係返屋企瞓覺，好攰啊！
It's quite interesting in this challenge that Gladys was the one who came in with all the energy, and now what I can show you is
我哋嗌咗一碗麵，2個人分。食飽之後就即刻返屋企瞓。喂，你個女啱啱到就走咯喎，係咪好掛住啊？係咪好想喊啊？
我唔想喊，係你想喊。你睇下啲餸，係應該你好掛住。
我意思係你會唔會掛住我咯？
我掛住你，我可以成日飛去揾你喎。但係你掛住呢度啲餸咧，你就唔係成日有得食嘅喎。依個肉餅又唔係可以成日整到啦。依個餃子係你個網友咧話好掛住依個牌子嘅餃子，所以我專登買嚟整俾你食。
哇！大家睇下 Auntie 幾錫你哋喺48小時嗰個 Instagram Challenge Box 入邊咧，大家 list 咗好多好想我哋食嘅嘢啦，但係其中都有住家飯，所以今日雖然要繼續拍嘢啦，時間都好緊湊，但係媽咪都百忙之中抽到時間去整一個住家飯俾我食，好感動。
睇咗當食咗，咁大家中意食啲咩住家食物啊、香港美食就留言啦。
哇！媽咪你好中意叫網友留言喎，
咁都係一個互動嚟嘅。
開飯啦！
都係嗰句，我食菜先。
爸爸，你對我哋成日有時要快閃翻嚟工作有咩感受啊？
最好就既工作於娛樂，又既工作於探親啊，最好啦，係咪？
Doesn't quite match up to English food though.
阿媽係咪黐線？
醫生話你好翻。
Off we go again.
Day 2。
That's good for me anyway.
咁我咧上次翻嚟都搭呢個新嘅線，其實對於大家嚟講可能唔係好新，可以去到金鐘，跟住轉去銅鑼灣仔，但係我老公係好似未搭到。
The sound of home.
聽到啲嘟嘟嘟嘟嘟嘟聲，好開心。Laurie look, Laurie. A whole new world, a new line, your first experience. Laurie.
大家唔使驚，我哋冇唔記得你哋 set 俾我哋嘅 challenge。
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
You're okay? Hello.
早晨
What are you reading?
It's the Warrior's Guide.
I miss you, Fin Fin.
Mommy.
I love you.
I miss you too. Love you.
OK， 嚟到黃埔嘅，我唔知係咩街，但係我叫佢嘢食街，因為佢好多嘢食。咁我哋得翻5個鐘頭啦，仲有好多嘢喺個 list 度未食，但係而家見到有幾樣大家寫到嘅嘢咧，就試下。
So we've been told that this new lemon tea is pretty popular right now, which is good for me because I prefer lemon tea to bubble tea.
Let's go.
Let's try. Less sugar in it. Nice lemon tea.
Ice not good for you, babe. So cute.
I think I know why it's so popular. I reckon it's this little guy. It's very nice. My Thai tea. I'm at home.
可唔可以要個套餐 set B 啊？雞蛋仔原味，
Does it remind you of boba?
同寶寶一樣咁甜。由我哋落機到而家，覺得好似冇早餐、午餐、晚餐分住。而家食緊甜品，跟住一陣間去食晚飯。而家熱辣辣，啱啱出爐。Wow, what are you doing? 我估唔到老公頭先一嘢咁樣熬咗入嚟咯。真正嘅食法咧係要咁樣 twist and pop。
Nice and fresh.
好啦，我哋嘅 challenge 就嚟去到尾啦。當然食唔晒大家想我哋食嘅嘢啦。All I can say is 我個肚係滿到，希望可以頂到我下次翻香港。
Might be quite controversial this, but this challenge seems to be about getting fat.
恭喜發財 ！Last stop, baby。好啦，我哋仲有2個鐘頭咧，就要準備去機場。但係咧，呢個就係我最中意嘅 part。大家都知道啦，我哋大家2個空劫翻嚟，主要嘅原因咧就係因為要擺滿嘢啊嘛。So what are we doing?
My favourite stop.
Shopping. Do you need anything? 佢好悶啊個樣啊。It's his least favorite part of the trip.
Uh-oh. Oh no.
哇！膠原美白，咁我梗係要照顧下我個寶貝女女嘅皮膚。
行完街就係時候翻屋企執行李啦。
發生咩事？我哋唔係出機場咩
Bonding with my father-in-law, thank you.
？Daddy，你捧邊隊啊？
有得揀嘅咩？
冇㗎。Daddy，你知唔知道人哋話咧，如果要嫁老公，一定要嫁個曼聯嘅擁躉啊？
係
因為佢哋咁差都繼續支持，咁就真係好 loyal。
Up and down is still keep on supporting the support.
Absolutely sure. You choose a team, you stick to it.
You choose a wife, you stick to it。
Absolutely.
Better and better.
Yeah. Healthy!
我哋要出機場啦，但係睇下媽媽唔講我愛你，但係整個橙俾我食，走錢。走啦我哋。
走啦，快接仔嘛！我兩個全都掛住你哋㗎。
Ready to go home？
Well, I can't believe we're getting home already.
你食夠未啊？
香港嘅嘢食係永遠食唔夠㗎，食極都想繼續食多啲。48個鐘就係咁樣完咗啦，咁而家好飽啦，我哋就食飽就瞓啦喺飛機。Let's go！
Wow. What an absolutely brilliant but mad weekend. What now?
For 菲菲話要我哋買個點心俾佢，咁唔可以買啲真嘅點心，可以買個點心公仔，叉燒包 ，Billy 最中意。
雖然48小時喺香港聽落好短，
No！
但一諗起2個仔仔，覺得已經好耐冇見佢哋。
哇！我哋走嘅時候有4件行李，somehow我哋有5件行李咁翻嚟。
咁而家咧就朝頭早兩個仔仔喺學校，我哋嘅 Boba BB 就喺入邊。雖然返香港呢兩日真係好精彩，但係今個 weekend 嘅 highlight 就係攬返住仔仔嘅呢一刻。